In the previous video, we saw recording and replaying and comparing the two return values on hot reload. Since return values may have ever-changing fields such as timestamp, we will now define custom assertions, which means we'll compare only what is necessary. Let's take an example to demo this. So here is a code that determines a customer's eligibility for a premium status based on their location and referral codes. It assigns a score to the customer with a bonus for specific addresses and then checks if the total score meets a cutoff threshold for premium eligibility. The result is a customer scorecard object containing their profile, score, and eligibility status. Now, let us pass customer ID 1 and here is our customer scorecard. See that the code traversed is highlighted. You can then go to replay and define assertions by clicking on save replay. Here, I want to assert that the customer is eligible, has a score of more than 18 and has a valid contact number. You can see that the recorded return object is on the left top corner. Check how the color code of conditions change from green to red when the assertion fails. Now, when we replay this candidate, the replay passes the defined assertion. This test is saved inside src/test/resources/unlock folder. You can commit these cases in Git and share them with your teammates to replay. Thank you for watching this. In our next video, we will share how you can track code coverage in real time.